I've had a parcel delivered. But I'll just do a quick unboxing. There's Lola in the background. We've got Maddie there, curious to see what I'm doing. There's a couple of dogs hanging around somewhere. Just feeding them biscuits to keep them quiet. So anyway, I had a parcel delivered. This has come all the way from Asia. From pubbets. In fact, actually, this is my custom pubbet. Pubbet as opposed to puppet. A bit like another Muppet Show. I was always a big fan of a Muppet Show, the Muppets movies and all that lot. And also Sesame Street, in that kind of ilk. This is a custom one that I've had made. The website's fantastic. It's so addictive. I've been on it so many times. You could pick the body colour of your puppet. You can even buy one custom made. They're quite a lot cheaper. Or you can get them custom made in different coloured bodies. Pick the eyes, hats, glasses, clothes. You can pick it all. So this is comes in it's in a box, and it's in a bag as well. We'll have a look what else we've got in the box first. This is I didn't order this. This is one that he always sends out gifts. This is like I think it's like a tote bag. I'm not sure tote bag out for us. I ordered these as well. These are the arm. They're just a standard arm rods. Ordered 2 of them. Bring that box out of the way in a minute. Let's have a look what we've got in this bag. Got a knife here. And I'll put this it's worldwide shipping, but I'm in the UK, so I pay for expedited shipping, express delivery from DHL. Pay a little bit extra just so I know it gets here safely and quicker. So it's in a plain black bag here. I thought they came in laboratory type bags, but maybe short of them, I don't know. But anyway, oh, here we go. Oh my. Oh, this looks amazing. See, it's at exactly the same time as I am. It does a little photo shoot as well. Notice any similarities yet? Oh, I'll take his hat off. Yeah. I've got a little brush for his hair as well. I'll sort it out a bit late, better later maybe. So this is my custom puppet, all the way from Taiwan. Let's see if we can get mine. It's got little elastic loops inside where you put your fingers in it. I've got quite sausage fingers, if you should fit. I think that's about right. Hello. Oh, what a journey that was for you. Oh, what a journey. What a journey. Oh, I like the shirt. Oh, what's the shirt? Got a shirt. Oh, I like it. Oh, what's a doggy? Oh, that's a big doggy there. That's a very big doggy. Hello, doggy. Oh, hello. So this is Dai. How are you, Dai? Oh, I'm good. It's a long journey. Where'd you come from? Wales? Oh, funny accent you got there. No, I come from Taiwan. Oh, hello, is it a little doggy? Oh, hello, doggy. Oh, doggy. Oh, hello. It's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous doggy. Oh, this little gorgeous doggy. Don't you think, well, yeah. Oh, it's another one. It's a husky. You like the cold weather. Oh, what's this one here? Oh, it's salty. That's a good Welsh name, that. Good Welsh name. So this is Dai Green. She's... My dog's like it. It's dark, isn't it? I'm going to calm my dogs down now, but so this is Dai Green. Pleased to meet you. And you. Pleased to meet you too. lazy, aren't they? Hello, hello, lovely, lovely dog.